Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get straight to it. Today, find out how the price of Ethereum has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and RSI show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the hourly time frame for Ethereum, the price rapidly went down with around 4.8% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of $2,620. On the other hand, this move wasn't very strong because the volume wasn't very high. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 200 SMA downwards decisively with higher than average volume, which is a strong signal. For this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 200 SMA will play as resistance, or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 2,661. It's important to note that currently the price is below the 200 SMA, which is normally a strong resistance. A potential move upwards, however, could be signaled if it were to break decisively upwards. Looking at the hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is below the hourly ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 2,719. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Generally, when the price moves sideways, the ribbon gets less accurate. Moving to the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 37, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 50 SMA, will play as resistance, or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 2,649. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate, and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Jumping to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price went below the 3-hourly ribbon, so you should wait to see if the price will jump back above the ribbon or it will act as a resistance to the upside, which is at around 2,701 at the moment. Looking at the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 42, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Looking at the daily simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, will play as resistance, or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 2,878. Looking at the daily exponential moving averages, the current price is below the daily ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 3,007. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Moving to the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 42, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions, as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.